Here I have TECNO Pop 8, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So firstly you should go to the upper bar, and here you can find the button like power boost. So you tap on it, you can switch optional optimization items, you can switch refresh rate, enable dark theme, turn off Wi-Fi, turn off location. You can also enable power boost reminder, you can set it to turn on automatically at a specific battery level, and you can set it to turn off automatically when device is up to 75% charged. So to enable it, you just tap enable power boost, and now power saving mode is enabled. And the same way you disable it. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.